Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all of you have been well. So in today's video, viewers, friends, make your Hollywood table look sparky and elegant with this centerpiece. Start with a black table and some candles in dark holder and place fake spider web around pumpkin skew and a little touch of glitter. Make it look both cute and stylish. It's a perfect balance of creepy and classical. Nothing say Hollywood more than pumpkin. For this centerpiece, place different size of pumpkin in the middle of your table. Add fairy lights inside glass jar, autumn leaves, and place a few black candles to give it a glowing, sparkly look. This design free festival warm and just a little secret. Turn your table into a haunted scene with this glowing Hollywood centerpiece. Use a big glass bowl, fill it with fake bones or candy ice ball, and add LED lights inside brown with handles, some more pumpkins, and creepy creatures like bat or black cats. It's fun, creative, and full of Hollywood spirit. If you love a rustic vibe, try this Hollywood centerpiece. Use a wooden tray, place mini pumpkins, dry corn, and pink cones. Then add a sparkly touch with black spider, a crow figures, and dropping red candles. It's give your table a farmhouse feel with just the right amount of Hollywood creepiness, fun and friendly. No, our Hollywood centerpiece have to be silly. For a friendly table, fill a glass jar with candies, corn. Place a big smiling pumpkin in the center and add a cute decoration like couch, statue, and mini scarecrow. It's colorful, cheerful, and perfect for kids and family dinner.